What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, I am back with another video for you guys. If you're holding ladies, you're bullish on ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We already know ladies is gonna crush it, man. Ladies to me is one of the top meme coin competitors going into the next bull cycle. This market is butt cheeks. This market is booty butt cheeks, man, and not the, you know, not the attractive booties, the unattractive ones, right? It's so terrible, man. But what you do in these times, guys, you DCA, you DCA. Anytime you get a chance, you add exposure to projects that you have conviction on. You get a bag that you're happy with, and then you just hold it going into the next bull cycle, right? There's a lot of things that happened recently in the space when it comes to like Ethereum. There was the new Coinbase launch of the base layer 2 blockchain, and a lot of people from Ethereum are moving their money over the base chain, and that's why Ethereum is not getting as much activity right now, because a lot of people are moving over the base chain. You know, it's gonna be like a trend, a lot of hype for the first week or so, and then, you know, it's business as usual. Everybody's back to ETH, right? We're gonna take a look at that in a second, right? But as always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the space. We take a look at ladies right now. It's at $19.4 million in market cap, $2.4 million in 24-hour trade volume. Still holding up pretty well with that trade volume and market cap, man. Still holding a nice range. If we take a look, when in doubt, zoom out. We take a look at the 1 year, the 1 month chart. You can see, man, we're in this consolidation phase, and you know, we're pretty much doing the same thing a lot of other projects are doing, man. A lot of other projects are in that consolidation phase. If we're talking about meme coins, altcoins as well too, right? A lot of them are in that consolidation phase, guys. So you know, it's not just ladies that's doing it. It's a lot of other meme coins, the top meme coins as well, right? So you know, like I said, these are times when you DCA into projects, man. This is when you get your bag. You get a bag that you're comfy with, and you know, obviously never invest more than you're willing to lose. Get a bag that you're comfy with, buy the red days, then just hold until, you know, we start to get a lot more bullish on the markets, right? Crypto crunch, I'm bullish on ladies, selling all my Doshi Pepe World before first week in August to get ahead of ladies gap and FOMO. Hey, sounds like a plan to me, man. DJ Awesome, I'm bullish on ladies. I feel great about this project. Crypto runner, just think she could take off at any time. Just hodl. One bill great cheap entry point. It's a no-brainer. Win-win. It's here to stay. Imagine 1000x during a bull run. Licking my lips now. And that's the thing with meme coins, right? Degen, well, not necessarily Degen, tier 1. It's listed on tier 1 exchanges. I think there's 2 projects on crypto.com as meme coins that's gonna get a lot of attention, because, you know, Shiba and Doge will be exploding once again. Ladies and Dogecoin Mars, you know, a lot of people, like I said in my previous videos, are bullish on Doge, is bullish on Dogecoin Mars, and you know, it is in my opinion like a steady meme coin for crypto.com. But the people always want something new, right? And that's what ladies is. Ladies is something new. It has a great amount of price discovery ahead of it, because, you know, it hasn't seen a bull market yet, okay? It's never seen a bull market. That's the projects you want to keep an eye out for. And, you know, going into a bull market, man, ladies could just crush it. Start, you know, a bunch of retail investors, new retail investors get into the space. They start coming to crypto. You see the total market cap starts going to 2 to 3 trillion. Where will Bitcoin be at, right? A lot of the other projects will send when Bitcoin is going parabolic. On Ethereum, where will Ethereum be at? Ladies is paired with Ethereum, right? On crypto.com, when a ton of new retail, they never used DeFi before in their life. They don't know about nothing about, you know, digital wallets, you know, They don't know about any. They don't know anything about DeFi wallets. What's the first? Where's the first place they're gonna buy? They're gonna be buying on tier 1 exchanges, right? So first place they're gonna be buying, they're gonna get onto Coinbase. They're gonna get onto crypto.com. Ladies is listed on crypto.com. Like I said, this is my thesis that Ladies will absolutely crush it because of it being a new meme coin on crypto.com, because there's not that many there, right? And I think that's why the Ladies project will go ballistic in the bull run, man. Crypto Renegade, meme coins are trading sideways, you fudding noobs. Exactly, that's exactly what I said, Renegade. Start looking at the longer term time frames. Y'all stuck on the 5 to 15 minute chart. A lot of memes right now are just going sideways. Pepe is, Sheep, Doge, a lot of memes are sideways right now. The sideways price action, I know it's a pain in the butt. I know, you know, it's boring, but that's the time when you make money. When it's boring and nobody wants to buy and you are the one that buys, that's how you make money in the space, man. That's how you accomplish your dreams of being successful in crypto. Crypt still delicious price for the entry. Keep buying, squad, before it explodes like an atomic bomb, right? And as long as the community is there for Ladies, there's always a community there. You know, there's always activity for the team, the top community members. It's gonna have a nice future ahead. Mr. Sheep, if they wanted to, they'd plummet it, but they won't. Something is in the works. Patience is a virtue. Speaking of, man, don't get rugged, guys. Don't get rugged. Before we get into that, we're gonna talk about Coinbase and Base, the layer 2 for Coinbase. Who knows? Maybe the team of Ladies could bridge over some Ladies to Base as well, which would be even more bullish because they are listed on Arbitrum. It's not, hold on, right here. They are listed on Arbitrum as well as Ethereum. So who knows? Maybe because Arbitrum is a layer 2 for Ethereum, and so is the brand new Base, right? So who knows? Maybe the Milady team could bridge over some Ladies to Base as well, to have, you know, a more accessible DeFi way for people to buy in. I don't know if there's any top projects in the space that have bridge tokens over the bases yet, right? I don't know if anyone has done that as yet, so that'd be a good you know, thing for the Ladies team to accomplish, right? Friends, good morning. Ladies is fighting a revolution in the crypto world. Join the battle and witness the rise of the meme coin champion. Now look at this right here. A lot of people are going into rugs, man. That's what happens all the time. This is why I say when you get an exposure to meme coins, there's good meme coins. There's meme coins that have a little bit more going for them, right? You know, I wouldn't see a meme coin like Ladies get like the rug pulled on it anymore, right? It's just gonna consolidate until there's a meme coin season, and then there's a bull run, and then there's new retail it comes into the space, right? Because of the tier 1 exchange listed, because of all the listings that it's on, because of the community, because of you know, the speculation behind the project. People are going on to Base Chain. Some pre-sale on Base just rugged, and Dev sent a whole ass apology letter. Man, that's crazy, man. You know, it's crazy out here. So when you're investing, guys, be as careful as possible. So right here, Base is a new layer 2 chain by Coinbase, which is built using Optimism SDK. The chain is now open for everyone. A new chain means new opportunities to make Benjamins. What I think is interesting about, you know, layer 2s, they help with scalability of Ethereum and help with more transactions for Ethereum. We saw that with Optimism. We saw that with Arbitrum. Milady is listed on Arbitrum, so some speculation from me. Who knows? Maybe they bridge over some tokens, like I said, to Base, so people could buy Ladies on Base, right? Make it, you know, make it available on, you know, a few, you know, different, you know, blockchains, right? And, you know, gives it more volume that way, because who knows, like they bridge over the Base, and then all of a sudden there's more and more people buying the Ladies token through Base, right? But yeah, guys, all in all, don't worry about the price action. If you have conviction on this project, trust yourself. Don't listen to influencers. Just trust and believe in yourself and your investments, and be patient, man, especially in these type of times. Man, in these times is when you practice patience. Like, patience wins, man. A lot of people want to buy a project the same day and expect 100x the next day. It doesn't work like that. I'm guilty of falling victim to that as well. Sometimes I buy something and I'm expecting it to go, you know, go crazy, you know, like within a couple of days, and I get bored. Right? And then sometimes you sell too early and like, whoa, why did I sell? Right? Don't fall victim to that. Right? I got to work on that for myself. And I'm telling you guys, you know, once you have your projects that you're invested in, that you have full conviction on, be patient, diamond hand, you know, wait until the bull cycle is back. Right? Obviously, ladies is a more high risk project to have exposure to, right? But you know, high risk, high reward play here. But just invest in an amount that you're happy with. Like, you happy as in like you're not gonna lose sleep over it. You invest in an amount that you're not gonna lose sleep over, and then you just forget about it, man. Wait until the bull market is back again. Like I said, when Jimmy from down the street is asking you about crypto, that's when you check back on ladies. Right? Thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.